Welcome back. So all of you please look at the monitor. So now I am going to discuss 2012 papers. So I will read out this question. S and P were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 1:4. On 31st 3/2013 the firm was dissolved. On the date of dissolution the balance sheet of the firm was as follows. Capital S 1 lakh and capital P, that is 4 lakh, investment fluctuation fund 50,000 and sundry creditors 3 lakh and P's loan 1 lakh 50,000. Then asset side, land and building 4 lakh and machinery 1 lakh 50,000, investment 2 lakh and debtors 2 lakh and cash is 50,000. So this is the balance sheet of S and P, and they are going to dissolve the firm, and they are given, along with this they are given lot of adjustments. So look at the monitor. The assets and liabilities were settled as follows. So first point, land and building was taken over by a land development authority for cash 6 lakh. Land and building was taken over by a land development authority for cash 6 lakh. And number 2, investments were taken over by P for cash payment of 1 lakh 60,000. The next entry, creditors accepted machinery and debtors in full settlement of their claim. So you can see they are given 3 adjustments. So pass the necessary journals for dissolution of the firm. So you can look at this board question, 2013 board question. They are asking, pass the necessary journals under the following circumstances, what entry you are going to pass. So number 1, land and building was taken over by a land development authority for cash 6 lakh. Here you know that the land development authorities are taking our land and building and they are giving the money. So entry will be cash account debtor to realization accounts. So it is very clear, we are getting the money. So the land and building was taken over by someone else, but whether we are getting a money or not, so we are getting a cash. So entry will be cash account debtor to realization accounts. Then again second adjustments, investments were taken over by P for cash payment of 1 lakh 60,000. So you can see P is a partner, and also investment is, you can see asset is there, were taken over by P for cash payment of 1 lakh 60,000. Here you know that many students have doubt. So you are going to pass the entries P's capital account debtor to realization account or cash account debtor to realization account. Just look at the monitor once again. You read the adjustment once again, then only you are able to pass the entries. Here lot of confusion is there. So it is only 3 items they are given, but confusion is there. So investments were taken over by P for cash payment. So they underline that particular word because they are ready to pay the money. So investments were taken over by P, or P is a partner but he is ready to give the money. So your entry will be cash account debtor to realization account. So don't make it confused. The P's capital account debtor to realization is not there because we are getting the money. That is why we are passing the entry is cash account debtor to realization accounts. Then last point, that also very important entry. You can see creditors accepted machinery and debtors in full settlement of their claim. You know, one of the creditor is undertaking our assets, machinery and debtors in full settlement of their claim. So here my question is, we are passing journal entry or not? Answer is very simple. It is a mutual adjustment. Excess amount we are not paying. It is a full settlement. That is why we are not passing any journal entries. Your answer will be no journal entry. So now it is clear. You can see this. So what I said, it is absolutely correct, because nowadays the board is asking either realization account or they are giving the balance sheet, and on the basis of that you are supposed to pass the journal entries. So now once again see, land and building was taken over by a land development authority but they are ready to pay the cash. So entry is cash account debtor to realization account, And second point, investments were taken over by P, but he is giving the money. So our entry will be cash account debtor to realization account. And the last point, it is a mutual adjustment. The one of the creditor is taking our firm's machinery as well as debtors in full settlement. So that is why we are not passing any entries. So now next, look at next adjustment, next paper also. This is also, you can see 2012 papers. Then here also you can see, I will read out this question. So P and Q were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. On 31st/3/2012, their balance sheet is as follows. So here you can see P's capital is 80,000 and Q's capital is 70,000 and creditors 50,000 and workmen's compensation fund is 80,000. And assets side you can see one very important item is there, goodwill. Goodwill is 80,000 and land and building is again 80,000 and stock is 60,000 and debtors 40,000 and bank is 20,000. And the same day they are given lot of adjustments also. The firm was dissolved on so and so date. On the assets and liabilities were settled as follows. So number 1, creditors agreed to take over land and building at a valuation of their full claim. So here you can see it is just like a previous our transactions. The creditors, one of the creditors are ready to take land and building at a valuation of their full claim. So here also we can see that no journal entries are there. Why? Because one of the creditor is undertaking our land and building at a full settlement. So there no excess amount we are not paying, or they are not giving the money also. So it is a full settlement, that is why we are not passing any entry here. And the second point, the stock was taken over by Q at 50,000 for cash. This is also another important question. That means here also partner's name is there, Q is there, and Q is taking one of the assets of the firm. Doesn't mean that, so we are passing the entry like a Q's capital account debtor to realization account. Our entry will be Q is ready to pay the money. Answer is cash account debtor to realization account. So once again, the stock was taken over by Q at rupees 50,000 for cash. So journal entry is cash account debtor to realization account. The next one, bad debts proved as 5,000. So what is the meaning of this? So here in the question, they are not given provision for bad and doubtful debts. The students, some students asking to me, so sir, this is a provision. So the provision we are passing transfer to the various liabilities, but it is clear that here this provision they are not given inside the balance sheet. This provision they are given outside the balance sheet. That means you know that bad debts proved as 5,000. So bad debts proved rupees 5,000 means when we are realizing the bad debtors, we are getting only 35,000, and out of 40,000 rupees, 5,000 is treated as provision for bad and doubtful debts. It's clear? Now you can look at the monitor. Debtor amount is how much? 40,000. But they are given in the adjustment is how much? Bad debts proved as what? 5,000. So that means when I am realizing the assets, especially debtors, I am getting only 40,000 minus 5,000. Answer is 35,000. So your entry will be cash account debtor to realization account. Your entry will be cash account debtor to realization account. That means 40,000 minus 5,000. The next one, goodwill was found valueless. Here you can see that at the time of admission, retirement and death, we are already studied goodwill. But here you know that the goodwill we are not giving any importance. So the goodwill is just like other assets, just like our land and building or a plant and machinery, whatever it is, we are just treated as an asset. That is why we have no separate treatment for goodwill. Goodwill was found valueless. So for this we are not passing any journal entries. And the last point, see all of you look at the monitor, so workman compensation claim was 80,000. You can see that balance sheet liability side one item is given, workman's compensation fund. You know that workman's compensation fund is an undistributed profit. That particular item have no connection with the realization account, just like a reserve, just like a workman's compensation fund. So this amount we are transferring to partners capital account credit side only. So your entry will be workman's compensation account debtor to partners capital accounts. Now I think it is clear. So what I said, nowadays the board is asking journal entry also. So all the students should focus and they should give more importance to journal entry also. Now you can see 2011 and 12 paper, they are asking only journal entries. So that means they are given balance sheet along with adjustment, you supposed to pass the entries only. And also the latest paper 2014, they are asking only realization account. Now you can please look at the monitor, the last part of this section. So that is, you can see they are given a balance sheet and also they are given lot of adjustment also. See, Ajit was taken over furniture at 1,600 and debtors amounting at rupees 40,000 at 34,200. You can see, first of all, we are transferring all assets, then afterwards we are transferring all liabilities, then again you can see their adjustment. Ajesh and Bijesh and Chandini are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:1:1. In spite of repeated reminders by the authorities, they kept dumping hazardous material into a nearby river. So what's the meaning of this? You can see nowadays the board is asking value based question. So here you can see on the basis of this question, you tell me what is the value behind this question. Nowadays even my students are asking to me, sir, it is very difficult to give a value or give an answer for value based questions. So now you can see this, you are studied in business studies as well as entrepreneurship, you are studied all this point. So here what is the problem? In spite of the repeated reminders by the authorities, they kept dumping hazardous material into a nearby river. The court is giving an order for dissolve the firm. So you can see that. So repeatedly, so this company is putting their all wastages into the river, and on the basis of that the court is giving an order. So they are not protecting the interest of the public, and also social environment is there. They are not protecting the interest of the public. That is why the court is interfering. They are telling that, close down the business unit because the business is not taking the remedial measures to control these wastages. That is why the court is interfering. So you supposed to give the answer is social environmental protection, and also the public, we are using the resource, society's resources. That is why we supposed to protect the interest of the public. That is the value based question here. The social environment is there or social protection is there, and also we supposed to protect the interest of the public. That means nowadays they are asking value based question also. I think today we are just discussing all these board papers, latest 2014 board paper and 2013 and 2012 board paper. So I think now examination is coming. All the students got all the points what I explained, and next time or next episode we can see that next chapters one by one we will revise on examination point of view, and as well as we are going thoroughly and we are going in detail. So by the time, so it is a time for winding up. So all my viewers, thank you very much. I am James Thomas signing out.